checkpoint 12.4.8. What is display? So look at the main. Okay, we are going to call method. So here is the methods. Then we are trying to do this. So as you can see, string object S has ABC. So if you're looking at the indexed variable, this is 0, that's the 1, and then there's the 2. But we are trying to look at index 3, that it doesn't really exist. So in this case, we're going to have, okay, we call it as a string index out of bounds exception, which is actually a runtime exception, very similar to array index out of bounds exception. Okay, so this is actually runtime exceptions. So this will be printed. We are going to be here, then return after this. So we print after methods, not relevant here. So basically it's going to print runtime exception methods, then after method call. Okay, here runtime exception in methods, and then after method call. That's it. Thank you.